In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book hotel in Japan Airlines 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to confirm your booking with confidence. First, open your browser and go to the official Japan Airlines website. If you see a regional or language option, choose the one that fits you best so the prices and text are easy to understand. On the home page, you'll notice the booking widgets for different products. Make sure the flight option is not selected so you're searching only for a hotel. Then click the Hotel tab to switch the form to hotel booking. Start by choosing the hotel location. Type the city or area you're visiting, places like Tokyo, Osaka, or Sapporo, and select the correct suggestion from the list. After picking a location, confirm it appears correctly in the search box so your results are targeted to the right area. Next, set your hotel dates. Open the calendar and select your check-in and check-out days. Double check the month and year, especially if you're planning far ahead, and make sure your dates line up with your flight schedule. If your plans might change, remember to review cancellation windows later when comparing rooms. Now choose rooms and passengers. Indicate how many rooms you need, how many adults and children are traveling, and any child ages if asked. Getting this right ensures accurate prices and availability for your group. Click Search Hotels to see results. You may be taken to a JAL Vacations page that shows available properties in your chosen area. Browse the list, and if tools are available, you can sort or filter by price, rating, or amenities to narrow things down. When a property catches your eye, select it and click See Rooms to open the room options. Look through the available rooms carefully. Compare bed types, room size, whether breakfast is included, and the cancellation policy. Check what's included in the price and note any taxes or fees that will be added. Once you've found the room that fits your needs and budget, click Book. You'll move to Checkout. Enter traveler details exactly as they appear on government ID or passports to avoid issues at check-in. Then assign each traveler to the correct room under Travel Assignments so guest counts match your selection. Review travel insurance information and choose the option that suits you. Add your payment details, confirm the billing address and currency, and verify everything looks correct. Before you finish, check the total due, including taxes and fees, and review the terms. When everything is accurate, click Purchase. You should then see a confirmation screen and receive a confirmation email. Save both for your records, and that's it. You've booked your hotel through Japan Airlines. Safe travels!